Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn vows to fight appeal as Tesha Miller gets 38 years.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The swagger may slow to a shuffle, and the piercing eyes fade to a squint. Tesha Miller will be a grey-haired old man at age 77 years old when he walks out of prison. A humbling blow delivered by the state to the Jamaican mafia boss whose Klansman gang tormented Spanish Town and bathed its streets in blood. But even as defense attorneys prepare to mount an appeal for the convicted gangster, Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn has vowed that her office will put up a fierce fight when the time comes. The DDP made the commitment while speaking to journalists less than an hour after Miller was sentenced to 38 years and 9 months in prison in relation to the 2008 murder of then Jamaica Urban Transit Company chairman Douglas Chambers. In the Court of Appeal, which is where we practice every day from the office of the DPP, we will be ready to beat any arguments from my learned friends as a matter of law in any area, Llewellyn, Queen's Counsel said. A 7-member jury on the 3rd of December 2019 found the 38-year-old Miller guilty of accessory before and after the fact to Chambers' murder in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. Further commenting on the sentencing, Llewellyn said that justice had been served. It was not an easy case for my office to prosecute. Several of the issues arising will always have to remain in the trenches, out of sight, and it is good prosecution when you can get over the challenges and present the best possible case, she said. Before that, Burt, the attorney representing Miller, expressed disappointment in the sentence imposed on his client. Samuels characterized the sentence as very harsh, very high, arguing that Miller's conviction rested on the allegation that he had ordered Andre Bryan, otherwise known as Blackman, who had been acquitted in 2016 of killing Chambers, to commit the murder. We grieve for the family of the deceased. However, we grieve for the state of law as applied because it still just does not look right for there to be an acquittal of the felon, and Miller is gone for 38 years and 9 months. Samuel said while members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Special Weapons and Tactical Team guarded the precincts of the court. The attorney is confident that they will win the appeal. In 2013, we were sentenced and we went across the Court of Appeal and we won. That is my prediction, he said. During the sentencing, trial judge Georgiana Fraser took into consideration the use of a gun to kill Chambers and the attempt to conceal the murder as aggravating factors. Mitigating factors included the lack of a relatable previous conviction and that Miller seemed like a family man.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teash saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.